Good morning and happy Monday. So, just because we have the day off doesn't mean that we don't still have plenty of activities that we don't need to get caught up on or just to keep pace with today's lesson. So, I wanted to create a short video just as a reminder that there's plenty for us to work on and or get caught up in for your multicultural literature class. So, just briefly, I wanted to highlight the Global Citizens Unit is the unit that we're focusing on. And kind of as a refresher, we went over the research, what is research, and most of you have been able to turn in your MCRP topic. And every Friday, we have a nice area for you to upload these documents. So as you can see for that Friday on the 20th, you were able to upload, hopefully, your MCRP topic on September 20th. And that was that form, that survey form that you should have been able to fill out. If you don't have access to that, let me know. And there's plenty of links also within that unit under what is research, and then the MCRP overview contains that link as well. And then the next week we worked on your online sources, gathering those sources together, and then finally creating that outline with those sources. That was the week of September 23rd through the 27th. And then this last week, we really started working on in-text citations. Your BrainPop plagiarism was due as well. And then we also really focused on that first draft on Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Friday as well. So that's just kind of a brief overview. Today's lesson that we kind of crammed a little bit into Fridays that you will need to continue reviewing is on the Works Cited page. And then Tuesday, we're going to be reviewing what are multi-genre artifacts. And then we'll really be diving more into what constitutes the artifacts and your artifact plan as well next Thursday. So if you want to go ahead and jump ahead if you're all done. If not, again, all the links are right here for you, including your BrainPop quizzes for each week. And then also, I am here if you need me. So let me go ahead and post that to make sure that you have my my email address as well. It's listed right underneath the homepage, right underneath Multicultural Literature if you need me, as is my phone number. So I'm wishing you a fabulous day, Monday off, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.